right, back with Brody, the Scotty Terrier, and we're going to stand him up and we're going to do his last time over his body. And this is where we kind of bring everything home. We've already blended his lines, we did his front and back legs, and now we got to figure out what we're doing with his forechest and skirt. And the bottom line is that they should have a pretty good forechest, and you want that to feed through those legs. And you know, because he doesn't carry a lot of coat, we don't necessarily have to have it dragging the ground. All right, so all I'm going to do is tip it up. I'm going to roll his skin so that I can see underneath. I'm going to define his tuck up ever so slightly. All right, and if I want this to blend rather than to be one length, I'm going to take my comb again, comb up above my blending line to where it kind of starts at the center of the rib. We're just going to comb that up and blend that in a little bit better. And that's going to really give it kind of that natural finish so that he almost looks like a show dog. Lift that leg. Make sure whatever you do feeds through. All right. So that this is all clean under here. And it kind of blends, if you look, it kind of blends right in with the pasterns and also with the front of the knee or the stifle. And there you have it. That is our third time over. All right, bud. I know. Turn. There you go. All right. Thanks.